New state standards ask for some big shifts in teaching and assessment. The new state standards in science aren't just a rearrangement of content. They're about a new vision for equitable science learning that focuses on engaging students in making sense of phenomena that connect to students' interests, identities, and experiences, and that take up issues of importance to youths, families, and communities. The kinds of assessments that we need for this new form of learning involve more than just testing knowledge. Instead, we want to know if students can use science and engineering practices and apply knowledge to explain phenomena and solve problems. The change in assessment starts in the classroom by engaging students in phenomenon-based learning and preparing students to be able to transfer their knowledge to explain new, unfamiliar phenomena.
So to help you to promote the desired shifts in your classroom and assessment practices, we've designed a course specifically to meet the needs of teachers just like you. So during this course, we'll learn to use tools to analyze the standards so that we all understand what we expect kids to know and be able to do. We'll then prepare you to understand the role of phenomenon in teaching and how phenomena can be used as context through which students can develop and demonstrate the target understandings. We'll then apply what we've learned to develop assessment tests that can involve students explaining phenomenon through integrated use of the science and engineering practices, the discipline and core ideas, and the cross-cutting concepts. And most importantly, we'll help you to make these tasks as compelling as possible for your students and support them as knowers, doers, and users of science. We'll then provide you with tools to help you to find out more about your kids' interests and concerns and how you can use what you've learned to inform your instruction assessment practices. So everything we're going to be doing in this class can be directly applied to your classroom teaching. So through this course, you'll meet other rural educators just like yourself and figure out as a community how we can implement the new standards. And we know that sometimes accessing face-to-face professional learning can be a challenge, so we've designed this course to be completely virtual. The course involves about 25 hours of class time after school from September to December 2022. And you'll have some asynchronous work to complete in between to apply what you've learned to your classroom teaching.
We want you to be a part of this course and help us study the impact of the course on teachers just like you. This course has been designed by researchers and teacher educators from the University of Colorado Boulder and BSCS Science Learning, and advised by a panel of experts in rural education and assessment. We've piloted versions of the course in person and online with dozens of educators. And we'll be studying the effectiveness of this online course to help you bring this vision of teaching, learning, and assessment into reality. And we want you to be a part of the study. If you're interested in learning more of this opportunity, please check out the link below to review our information flyer and access a link to our interest form.